Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you bringing Bitcoin to everyday life, which is part of the Xapo website. As you guys can see, there will be a pink or red button which says buy Bitcoin at USD 6,776.83 cents. Welcome to digital money. You can download this app on the Apple Store or the Play Store. This Xapo wallet is secured and trusted. You can read the description to learn more. What others are saying. Here are some quotes that other companies have written. Advisors. These are the advisors that you can see. You can click these photos to see their name and the description about them. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the WheezCoins website. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Xapo website.